This video was made possible by Skillshare. Learn what you want to learn with Skillshare for free for 2 months at the link in the description. Here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a circle calligram and a heart-shaped calligram. I've made a similar video some time ago, you can check it right here. But the reason for today's video is, first of all, there's been some time and my skills have improved. As some of you may know, calligrams are also the thing which I love the most, what I'm doing mostly. And this Monday on Instagram I started Calligram Mondays, which is a new segment on Calligraphy Masters where I'll be showing different shaped calligrams and I was trying to teach you as well some calligrams, because I think calligrams are the least given attention from people and I really would love more and more people to get involved with them. So each Monday I'll be showing 10 different calligrams by people who use hashtag Calligram Mondays and hashtag Calligraphy Mondays. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do a simple circle calligram, then a bit more difficult or complex, which is a circle calligrams with 3 layers, and then I'll be showing you 2 heart-shaped calligrams, which are this one and one with 2 or 3 layers again. So let's jump into it. So I'll be using 2 different kinds of papers. The first one is 80 GM and the second one is 200 GM. As for the pens, you can use any calligraphy pen, but I'll be using Pilot Parallel pens, some custom automatic pens and a dip pen. As for the inks, I'll be using Colorex Watercolour by PBO. And last, what you will be needing, it's a ruler, compass and a pencil. The very first thing that I'm usually doing when doing a calligram, especially a circle one, is I measure both of the sides of the paper so I know where the center is, and then I start making the circles with the compass. Those lines are necessary for you if you're a beginner because they will help you to make straight letters, and in the future when you improve and develop more, you don't need to draw the pie lines. I'll start with the purple Colorex Watercolor and a dip pen with the Brause Nib. And for this calligram I've decided to repeat Calligram, Calligram, Calligram in my favorite script, which is Fracture. And here is the result. It took me about like 5 minutes maybe, something like this. What's left now is to erase the guidelines, but I'll do this a bit later. You need first to get it dry. And again, for the more than 1 layers circle calligram, you simply need to do more circles inside it. And again, fill with the words or letters that you choose to be. I start here with the alphabet, and then I continue with some random stuff. And what I made as a mistake here was that I was writing too fast. I didn't wait for the ink to dry properly, and I was not drying out the ink with a tissue or a kitchen paper. And as you can see now, when you write too fast, some ink goes on the hand and it gets smudged on the paper like this one, and first you get dirty and second the piece get destroyed. I put up another piece of paper, but as you can see I smudged even more the letters. That's a huge mistake. The best thing is either you write slower and wait for the ink to dry, or you take a piece of napkin or kitchen paper like here and you do like this to get the wet ink or what's left, and this way you won't get stuff like this that gets smudged and destroys your piece. Anyway, this is just to show you guys, so I continue on the second layer. Simply fill up with the letters or words or sentences that you've chosen to, Just keep in mind when you're going in the layers towards the inside, it becomes more and more difficult because somehow the space, I don't know how to explain it, but the closer you get to the center, the harder it is to control the letters to look straight and beautiful. So it definitely takes some practice, but nothing more than that. Here is the final result. Nothing special, but now you know how this is being done. And the final part is erasing the guidelines. Some people leave them, but me personally, I love to erase them because many times I don't like a calligram, and once I erase the guidelines, I find some beauty. And then we jump into the next calligram, which is the heart-shaped calligram. As you can see, I'm free drawing it. Of course, you can, if you want to be more precise, you can use a trace pad or something like this to draw the perfect heart, or I don't know. You don't need perfect shapes, but you just use them as guidelines for your calligram. And I guess after circles, hearts are the shapes that I've done the most. And because my Colorex was almost finished here, I've decided to put some water in it to have some more ink. That's the cool thing about watercolors, is once they start finishing, you can simply put some more water and you have more ink. For this calligram, I'll be using my custom-made automatic pen by Anto's house, a dude from Russia which made those pens for me. I'm really in love with them. I love how they work, and yeah, I decided to work on this calligram with the smaller size of the automatic pen which he created for me. And I don't even use any rules here. As you can see, there is not one line or nothing correctly done. I just simply try to fill up the whole shape. And that's the thing about calligrams. There are not actually rules about them. You can do so many. You can fill a shape in so many ways that it really can amaze you. And maybe in one of the next videos I will show you some more unusual and crazy ways of filling a shape, which leads also to a beautiful result. But here I just decided to write heart. And once again you can see my hand is full of ink, and I work kind of dirty on this and probably on most of my pieces. I don't know, am I the only one who gets so dirty when it's writing calligraphy, or there are other people also doing such stuff? Please let me know. And for the last calligram, I will do layers of hearts. You saw me drawing them, and I'll be filling the letters or the words with the Pilot Parallel pen. Just writing random stuff like and subscribe, and just random words that came to my mind. And I'm not so happy with those hearts, to be honest, but because I did them kind of in a hurry. I just wanted to make some hearts for the video. Usually I put more time and focus into them, but yeah, that's what I got. Nothing too special, but hopefully it helps you understand and learn how to do it yourself, and hopefully I'll see a better results from you guys. This is also the challenge for next week's Calligram Mondays. I want you guys to make your heart calligram and share it with me. As it turns out, learning is a good thing for you, and Skillshare is a great place to do just that. They now have over 25,000 classes about pretty much anything and everything. If you're like me, you aren't interested in just some things, you're interested in everything. So if you want to learn about video editing on a Monday, how to vlog on a Tuesday, and calligraphy and drawing on a Wednesday, do yourself a favor, sign up at the link in the description where the first 1000 people will get 2 months for free. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's videos. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, guys, it always helps. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications for more and more. If there's something you didn't understood from the video, ask your questions in the comments. If you have some suggestions for next week on what shape calligram I should do, let me know in the comments. Everywhere, I hope to see your calligrams on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. Check the description for more info on how exactly to join Calligram Mondays. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, keep writing.